So guys, 25 days and $20,000 later with this brand new affiliate campaign. And a lot of people are making their first sales. A lot of people are having success right out of the gate because for the first time ever, I'm allowing normal everyday people to copy my exact campaign that's allowed me to create this type of income in this amount of time. Now, the biggest problem that people have when it comes to affiliate marketing is what? What do you think that it is? Is it setting up landing pages? Is it email marketing? Is it setting up a Facebook page? It's traffic. Traffic is the number one problem when it comes to affiliate marketing. Getting website visitors, getting eyeballs to your stuff. Attention is the greatest asset here in 2023. If you're struggling to get attention, if you're struggling to get people to watch your stuff, to go through your funnels, to buy your stuff, it's because you do not know the art of getting traffic. And so what I've done is I've helped you with this, because if you're a beginner affiliate marketer, you're a beginner online and you're trying to get traffic, you're trying to do it through means such as Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. And to be able to do that, you need to have a good message. If you don't have a message that resonates with your audience, then they're not going to watch you. And if they do, they're not going to watch you for a long enough amount of time to buy your stuff, to opt into your lead magnet, or to just simply subscribe to your channels. And so what you need is you need to understand the struggles of your target market. So in this case, I help affiliate marketers. I understand your struggle when it comes to getting traffic. So as you're watching this video, you're thinking, man, this guy knows exactly what it is that I'm going through. Like, I've been trying so hard to get traffic to make consistent sales, and I just cannot do it. And you can't do it because, number one, you're not consistent enough. And number two, you're not clear on the problems of your target market because you're too worried about your own problems. I'm going to say that again. You're too worried about solving your own problems. You need to get outside of your own head and you need to focus just on helping other people. Whatever you've overcome up to this point in your specific niche, teach your prospects that, because you cannot teach your prospects something you have not overcome yet. So if you're at a stage, maybe you're in, I don't know, the weight loss industry, maybe you're teaching people how to get a six-pack, whatever it may be, you need to be at a point where you have a six-pack. You've done it, right? If you're just simply teaching people how to get to 15% body fat, you have 15% body fat, you can teach people how to do that. So you need to truly understand your market. You need to truly understand the struggles within your market, within your niche. And when you understand that, it's just a matter of having the right messaging and then putting out consistent content that solves the specific problems in your niche. So what I want you to do is I want you to sit down and I want you to write down all the different problems that your target market, your target customer faces. And then I want you to begin creating content. It could be YouTube content. It could be Facebook content. It could be content for a blog that just simply solves those specific problems. And as you take action, you're going to start to understand how these different algorithms work. You're going to understand how the YouTube algorithm works. You're going to understand how the Facebook algorithm works. And in the beginning, you're going to take a lot of action. You're not going to get as many views, right? This is exactly why I allow you to copy my content. So before you go into another industry, you can start with teaching other people how to market online, because that's the first thing that you need to learn when it comes to marketing anything online, right? So you can earn while you learn. And I give you the assets, the tools, the videos that you can copy that have the right messaging. And you are able to upload that specific media to your own YouTube channel and start generating your first sales online. And as you're doing that, then you can understand the psychology behind what it is that you're doing, right? And so that's why I allow you to copy my stuff and I fish for you so you can get some results out of the gate. Then as I'm helping you get results, then I start to teach you exactly how you're getting those results by showing you exactly why I say what I say in my videos, how I structure my content, sales psychology, email marketing, all these different things that work together, funnels. And that's what I do in the series that you've been hopefully going through up to this point. If you've not been going through this series, you need to go back to day one. There's a playlist below. Click on that playlist, start with day one. And right now it's been 25 days and $20,000 later. So if you don't want to have to deal with all of the studying and learning and understanding your market and all these different things that you need to do and test before you get results, if you don't want to have to do that, you just want to copy my proven campaign, then all you need to do is click the link below and get started with this playlist so you too can start generating results. Now in this video, I taught you an example of what I'm doing to get results, to achieve that $20,000 in 25 days. And that's simply just knowing your customer and knowing your customer's problems. Knowing that you can explain their problem better than they can explain it themselves. And when you could do that, they will buy from you. And that's what's led me to the results that I've got today. So, guys, take action, click the link below, continue on with this series with me. If you are up to this point, you've got your videos uploaded. Hopefully you're beginning to get some momentum. Maybe you've made a few sales out of the gate. You've got your funnel set up. You're starting to capture leads and you're well on your way to big commissions and big results online. If you want these same results, make sure you've started with the playlist below. Make sure you've subscribed to the channel. You've ticked the bell icon because this is just the start for you and us on this journey here in 2023. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully you got some value from it. If you did, let me know in the comments below. We'll see you guys in the next one.